Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by securing safety and documenting the scene. This protects you and preserves evidence. If anyone is hurt, call 911 immediately and tell dispatch location details. Once safe, turn on hazards and, if possible, move vehicles out of traffic to prevent further harm. You then exchange names, phone numbers, insurance companies, and plate numbers. Write them down. Finally, take wide and close-up photos of vehicle positions, damage, road signs, and timestamps so you can reconstruct events later. Once you've documented the scene, focus on evidence that establishes fault and context. You should collect witness names, short statements, and contact info. Ask permission before recording audio. Make clear notes about weather, visibility, road markings, speeds, and any skid marks or debris. These details matter to insurers and investigators. If police respond, ensure they file an official report. Request the report number, officer name, and badge ID. This paperwork creates an authoritative record you'll need for claims. You now report to your insurance company. Call the number on your card, provide the police report number, photos, witness contacts, and a concise sequence of events. Make sure to keep all medical records, repair estimates, tow and rental receipts. Store them in one organized file. Follow up within stated timelines, and if an adjuster disputes fault, escalate to a claims supervisor or consider small claims court. Troubleshooting tip: if you can't get an insurer response, document every call and use certified mail to preserve a record.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.